In this video, I'm going to share with you my top 5 Fiverr gig marketing hacks to get you ranked on Fiverr fast. That being said, there's another tip for social proof, and I want to share this one with you because this is the number one hack, number one way for you to grow your business. I want to share this with you. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, I'm Nick Newsome. And if you are a beginner seller on Fiverr, or you want to start selling on Fiverr, or if you've been a seller on Fiverr for a period of time now, and you've struggled to get your gigs ranked on Fiverr, I want to share with you my top 5 tips and hacks to get you ranked on Fiverr and get you ranked fast. So I'm Nick Newsome. I've been a seller on Fiverr for over a year now. I'm a level 2 seller. There's beginner, there's level 1, there's level 2, and then there's top rated. And there's also a pro. You're also pro rated. Now, what I'm going to do for you in this video is I'm going to teach you how to get to level 1 as fast as possible. And I think this is the number one strategy on Fiverr. You want to get to level 1 as soon as possible. So you actually start making money. Now, I know you're like, oh, I want to start on Fiverr. So what do you mean so I can start making money? Because it's hard to be profitable. Now, listen, this is from my experience. It's hard to be profitable until you reach at least level 1. So what you want to do is get to level 1 as soon as possible. And what we're going to do is we're going to go over that. So my top Fiverr gig marketing tips are price, marketing message, gallery, social proof, and reviews. So what do I mean by that? Let's dig into that a little bit more. So first thing you have to know is Fiverr is a search engine just like Google. And the thing is about the same thing as on Google is we want to rank on the first page and capture the viewer. And so how do we do that? We do that by understanding how people think and what their thought process is, and we use that process to our advantage. Now, if they're on Fiverr, they're typically looking for price. Price is going to be their main objective. So I want you to focus on having the lowest price possible, which is $5. Now, I don't know if you know this or not. But Fiverr, that's how Fiverr started out. They were marketing service, only posted gigs that were $5, hence Fiverr. Get a gig for a $5, right? It's $5. So you want to rank your gigs at $5 to start. And I know you're like, oh, well, how am I going to make any money like that? It's like I'm giving my services away for free. And you know what? You're absolutely right. We are going to give our services basically away for free because we need that social proof. We need that reputation. We need those jobs under our belt. Okay. Now, price. Okay. So people are going to start looking on Fiverr based on price. So the first thing you want to do, they're going to consider you. If you're too much money, they're not even going to consider you, especially if you don't have any jobs under your belt yet. So start with $5. We're going to do this basically for free. Keep your prices low until you reach level 1 seller. Once you hit level 1, you can raise your prices so you can actually put some money back in your pocket. Now, level 2 is where we want to focus our pricing our services to actually make a profit. Now, subscribe and like this video if you want to learn more about how to make a profit on Fiverr. I'm going to get into that in other videos. Now, you will get more gig views with a lower price than your competition. Now, number 2 is marketing message. Who, what, why, and how. Now, when it comes to marketing message, you only want to focus on what you can do for them, who you are, right? I'm Nick Newsome. What do I have for you? I have my top 5 tips for how you can rank higher on Fiverr and get more jobs faster and hit level 1. Why you should even listen to me? Because you need to rank on Fiverr and I've already done it. So that's why I can help you with your problem right now. Why should you listen to me? It's because I have a solution that you're looking for, because I can help you with your problem. So that's the why you're going to put into your gig marketing message. And I'm going to show you my profiles and my gigs here in just a second. This is my video, my who, what, why, how video. That's all I'm doing. This is my description. This is where you do your who, what, why, and how. Hi, thank you for consideration. If you have any questions or you just want information, please feel free to contact me. I know building ClickFunnels can be a little too much at times, especially if you're just getting started. That's why I wanted to offer this gig. Okay, so right here, I know that building in ClickFunnels can be a little too much at times. I'm addressing their problem. The what is their problem? That's their problem, and I'm going to help you with them. Okay, that's why you should hire me, because I can help you. A lot of my clients just want a video call and a little coaching and instruction on how to manage ClickFunnels, right? So that's my solution. Like, I'm going to give you some video coaching on how to manage ClickFunnels because your problem is that you're overwhelmed with ClickFunnels. So model this for your gig, your niche. I'm here to help and offer the best service and make sure you feel comfortable with your funnel and ClickFunnels. And then I tell a little bit more about me here. By the way, if you're finding value in this video, go ahead and smash up that like button. It lets the YouTube algorithm know that you like this video, and it also lets me know that you like the content I'm putting out. And if you want more videos on how to make money on Fiverr and how to rank faster, go ahead and hit the subscription button because these videos are going to be coming out every week. All right, let's get back to the video. So who are you? What are you going to do for them? why should they hire you? Because you offer a solution, how they can hire you. So this is all in your description. You're going to say, if you want to hire me, contact me first so we can have a conversation. Contact me first so I can learn more about you. Contact me first so we can see if it's a good fit for us to work together. Okay. Or you can just say, contact me so we can see if we're a good fit. Or if you're ready to hire me, go ahead and click my gig over here and order the basic package to get started. Number 3, the gallery. So you want to have a video. So many of my clients have been sold just from my video, telling them who I am, what this gig is about, how it's going to help them. And I've sold so many clients that way. And it's so easy, right? Don't make a big deal. I know some people freak out about being on camera. Don't make an edited video doesn't even have you on there. Just grab your phone. Everybody's got the best camera in the world. Pull out your phone and be like, hey, I'm Nick Newsome. What do I have? I have a solution for your problem, right? We want to reference their problem. It's going to be based on your gig, whether it's copywriting, design, editing, whatever it is, right? So I'm Nick Newsome. If you've been struggling on Fiverr and you want to get your gigs ranked faster, I can help you with that. Why you should buy from me? Because my solution is going to help you get ranked faster. I've also been a seller on Fiverr for a little while. And then how you can contact me so we can start a conversation to see how I can help you, how I can best help you, or you can order my gig right now and get started. Boom, that easy. Stop, record, upload it. It can't be longer than, it's like a minute and 10 seconds or a minute and 20 seconds, something like that. Anyways, just check the requirements when you're gonna do your video, but just make it short and sweet. Who am I? What am I gonna do? I'm gonna address your problem. Why? Because you need to fix this problem because it's gonna like hinder you from growing your business. And then how you either contact me so we can start a conversation, or you can order from me right away. Now, having to contact me, you're like, oh, well, what am I going to have a conversation with this person before they even give me any money? Yes, you should absolutely do that. I highly recommend that you build that communication, that trust with someone, so that they will buy from you, right? These are all the steps that we're taking, and these are best business practices, right? And this is all the stuff that I've learned on Fiverr. But you want to start that communication. It's going to build trust, and they're going to be more apt to buy from you because you put in that time ahead of time. Now, I know it's only $5, but here's the other thing. All this communication is going to go so far for you, okay? So I just want to make sure that you understand that. So in that gallery, you're also going to have high resolution thumbnails. You can use Canva or other free platforms to do that. Definitely watch a YouTube video and learn how to do that if you need to. Look at top rated and level 2 sellers in your niche, right? So whatever your niche is, like I said, is it editing? Is it design? Is it writing, copywriting, whatever it is? Just look at the people that are successful in your niche, copy what they're doing, okay? Don't copy them exactly, you know what I mean? Don't steal their work, but just copy their style, make it your own. If you're finding any value in this video, go ahead and hit the like button. It lets me know that you like what I'm putting out there, and also tells YouTube algorithm that you like this type of material. High resolution thumbnails, all right? So you can use Canva or other free platforms. You can also look at top rated sellers, level 2 sellers, copy what they're doing, look at their styles, what they're doing, because they've already obviously had success in this field. So figure out what they're doing and do it. And you need to do that too. And show your work, produce some work in your gallery, because there's going to be a place where you can show your work. And I'm going to get into that. I'm going to show that in just a minute. I'm going to show my gigs. I'm going to show my profile, but put your best work forward. You know, if you don't have any work yet, that's fine. Just go produce some work, make some work, and then put it there. You know, if you're a writer, put your best writing that you've ever done and then put it in the profile so people can actually see it. Put it in your gallery so people can see it. Number 4, social proof. You got to have some proof of work. And that's why I say show your work. You know, if you don't have any work and you're brand new, go make something and put it there so people can see you've actually done some work in that field. That being said, there's another tip for social proof. And I want to share this one with you because this is the number 1 hack, number 1 way for you to grow your business. I want to share this with you. So let's go do a screen recording right now. This is my profile. These are my gigs. This is my best-selling gig, and this is where I'm going to prove everything that I'm talking about. As you can see, here's my thumbnails. Real easy to make a thumbnail. Just keep them simple. I think this is where people get a little confused. They try to put as much as they can into this thumbnail where people are going to see it. Don't do that. Don't do that. Just keep it simple. The social proof. This is the number 1 thing here. Now here is something I did. See, I do a 30-minute Zoom call. This is the number 1 hack right here. These Zoom calls, right? So this is a Zoom call. This is my proof of work. Let me just mute that. So this is my proof of work. I did a Zoom call, and you have to upload your proof of work so that Fiverr knows that you did the work. And it's good to give the client something as well. But on this, you know, I mean, look at this video. All I'm doing is going through and giving this person help in ClickFunnels and giving them a little bit of marketing help and just being a coach. Now, I uploaded this for a proof of work, and what it has done is it's accelerated my business because people see this and they're like, oh, it just shows them that you're working with people. It shows you how you work with people, and it's gonna accelerate your business. Now, maybe you're not a coach, right? Or something like that. So you're probably asking like, Nick, how do I do that? So number one, you got to have a Zoom account or some way to record your screen, and then you want to be able to upload it. Now, with that being said, you might want to offer like a free coaching service with your gig. Like, let's say they order your gig for $5 and you're like, oh, and then put in your description down here. And as a special bonus for ordering my gig, I'm going to give you a free coaching call, right? You're going to spend 30 minutes with them, getting them acquainted, helping them with whatever they have. Maybe, okay, so for instance, if you are a writer and they want help with their writing, be like, I'm going to give you a free coaching call on your writing or your marketing or something like that, something of that nature. And then you want to record that and then you upload that. Okay. That's going to be part of your delivery for the work. And then that'll be shown in your gallery. Okay. And that will accelerate your business. So you're welcome. That is like the number one tip. And that's why this gig is my number one seller, right? It says best seller. That has just accelerated my growth so much. Level 2 seller, just to prove it. Level 2 seller. Oh, part of your gallery too, let me just say, make sure you put your profile picture in there. And then reviews, all right? So this is number 5, your reviews, okay? Number 5, reviews. So make sure you get some good reviews, put your best foot forward, all right? And do your best work, because you want those top reviews. I've gotten some bad reviews, and trust me, I regret it. I wanna make sure that I'm always doing my best work, always put my best foot forward, and this is the way you're gonna accelerate your growth. So remember, the goal is to hit level 1 seller first and foremost. By the way, if you're finding value in this video, go ahead and smash up that like button. It lets the YouTube algorithm know that you like this video, and it also lets me know that you like the content I'm putting out. And if you want more videos on how to make money on Fiverr and how to rank faster, go ahead and hit the subscription button, because these videos are going to be coming out every week. All right, let's get back to the video. All right, and number 5 is going to be your reviews. So make sure you put your best foot forward, because we want to get as many 5-star reviews as possible. Number 1, we want as many reviews as possible, and then we also want them to be 5-star reviews. This is what it looks like in public. If you want to check out my profile, the link is in the description below. But I have 21 reviews here, 13 reviews here, 1 review over here. As you can see, these are my 2 best gigs. I really make all my money really from these 2 gigs, which is fine. You want those reviews to be as good as possible. You want as many as possible. Put your best foot forward, produce your best work. I know you're not even level 1 yet, or you might be level 1, but you want to get as many reviews, put your best work forward. I know you're not getting paid a ton just yet, but the whole goal is to hit level 2, where you can actually start making a profit, and then hit top rated seller, where you actually be running a full-time business. So if you're getting any value out of this video, go ahead and smash up that like button. And if you have any questions I haven't addressed, or if anything came up, go ahead and put that in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them as soon as I can. And if you want to see more of my videos on how you can rank better on Fiverr, and also how you can make more money on Fiverr, go ahead and click on one of the videos here on the end screen, where I can share more of my valuable tips and strategies with you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.